to one of these places, it's always like an event or some kind of a track packed in the front.
Always.
Like, what is it with tracks and events?
What is it? What is it?
We continue this week's episode in Aachen, Germany. We firstly head over to the Quellenhof Aachen fountain. Built in 1976, it deals with the theme of money. From there we stroll over to the impressive Brunnen Springs, where we marvel at the Doric columns and lovely views. Soon after we head over to the Theatre Aachen, a famous theatre that has hosted many famous composers. We then take a much longer walk over to the 14th century Red House Aachen, a magnificent Gothic building which is stunning. We step around to the Marketsplatz, where we end this episode. So grab a coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, hi guys.
Yeah.
So we just walked out of the dome.
Yeah.
And we're walking towards the centre, I suppose, to see other gorgeous places.
Yeah. They're setting,
Day, which is amazing.
they're setting up for the Christmas market here, by the look of it.
Yeah.
They love the Christmas markets
Christmas
in Germany.
kiosks, yeah. Last year we witnessed it all.
Yeah, we witnessed it because
So beautiful.
we were here a bit later. So as a result,
It's just gorgeous.
oh look, there's another view of the dome here.
Yeah, oh man, that's spectacular.
It is.
We need to take a couple of pictures with that as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's cute here. They already put some Christmas decorations here on the buildings.
Yeah. It's gorgeous.
That's a beautiful building, yeah. We're
It
just
is.
surrounded by beautiful buildings here.
Yeah, we are surrounded by beautiful buildings.
Yeah, and this is Aachen.
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 Now Aachen, just a little bit of history about the place. In October 1944, the Battle of Aachen was waged here between the US first, the Big Red One, and basically German Volksgrenadiers, who were just basically teenagers who were forcibly recruited towards the end of the war. And the battle was brutal. I mean, we're talking the city was completely flattened at the time. The hotel we were staying in was the Oberkommando Wehrmacht's headquarters, and the hotel was, you know, virtually probably 70% destroyed at the time, and the city suffered badly. As you can see here, more renovations, restorations. We always seem to cut that. But here, look at this, just behind you here, this is just magnificent.
Yeah, it's just spectacular, gorgeous.
Yeah.
Everywhere you look here, it's a gorgeous little square.
It's a gorgeous square. I reckon we might stop for a second, take
Alright
some
guys,
photos.
we'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
We're back.
We're back.
So we've just taken some photos of the dome from the other side here.
Yep.
Yeah, and we're just walking here just toward the centre.
Yep.
Somebody's playing music. So hopefully we are walking in the right direction.
I hope so.
I think we are.
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tons of the souvenir kiosks.
Yeah. He's a people's poet, this guy.
Got nice shops here.
Yeah.
Bakeries and stuff. Yeah. So, do we just walk straight?
I guess so. We just walk to the centre here and take some photos.
Yeah. Okay, that's some kind of interesting thing here. There's different figures among the short means.
Yeah, I'm not sure what these figures are supposed to represent. But there's something.
There's just water there, but it's not a fountain really. It's just water.
Not a fountain, it's just water, but we'll walk along, we continue. I think that white building over there, as you can see, I think we've got to check that out from its front side.
Okay.
I can't remember what it is, but I do remember that it was featuring prominently in a lot of people's photos.
own.
Yeah. So we'll just walk around to it. It's just over there. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, we didn't manage to grab any Belgian chocolate.
Oh yeah.
But we love Milka, to be honest. We love Milka so
Yeah,
much.
Milka absolutely kicks
It's
ass.
amazing, yeah.
Yeah.
We stocked up on Milka last night and
Yeah.
Lidl.
Okay.
You want to go straight down?
Yeah, yeah, this is the place, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm really glad that we came a bit earlier this year because the
Yeah.
weather is so much nicer.
Yeah.
It makes such a big difference.
Makes a huge difference.
Yeah, fantastic. So yeah, it's early afternoon. It's
Yeah.
probably about 1 p.m. now.
Yeah. Yeah, a sec. I've got to readjust my bag here for a sec, so
Okay,
hang on a sec.
I'll see you soon.
I haven't gone yet. Just got to, that's what I got to do.
Vic is carrying a lot of equipment.
I'm carrying a lot of equipment and it's a killer.
His shoulder is always sore.
Yeah, I got a sore shoulder.
Yeah, yes. Hopefully next year it will be, on another level. With
Yeah.
cameras, we don't have to carry too much equipment.
Yeah, yeah.
We can just grab a little lens
Grab a lens for the
phone.
mobile and just do everything with
and
that.
that's it.
Just travel light.
Light.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you want to go to the strike? Something
Yeah.
up there?
Yes.
Shops and
The
stuff?
front side of this building.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Everything looks so nice and tidy and
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Careful, Mark.
Careful, careful. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Smells
Yeah.
right. It smells like rubber.
Yeah. Smells
Oh god.
putrid.
Jesus.
It's a putrid smell.
Oh man.
I think the springs. It's the spring water.
Oh no. It's actually better here. It was like horrible there. It
Yeah.
was really strong. It's some kind of a shopping center there or something.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the building.
Yeah.
This is the building you want to photograph, yeah?
That's the building.
That's the building.
I think it's self-evident. Look at it.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Lots of columns.
Yeah. Oh, we'll stop for a second. We'll take some photos here.
Alright, see you soon. Bye.
Here we are.
Hi, we're back again. So we just walked to the theatre, which is just right behind me.
It's right behind.
For some reason, the sat-nav was telling us we have to go
Behind, and I was extra
behind
walking
was
for no good
nothing
reason.
there. Where are we going off?
Just here.
So our bags are here.
Yeah, that's okay. Just here. Just here.
Yeah, and Vic was just saying like every time we go to one of these places, it's always like a van or some kind of a track back to the front.
Always.
Like what is it with tracks and vans?
What is it? What is it?
Oh jeez. It's a ruin the view.
Yeah, always spoiling the view.
Yeah.
But
What do you
anyway,
do?
we're going to press on from here
Yeah,
and
we're
go
gonna
see a few of the other sites. But so far, so good.
Yeah, so far it's clear. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
All right.
Hi. We're walking towards the market and the red house.
Yeah.
Just started raining a little bit, but now
Yeah, it's gone.
stopped. Thank God.
It's
So
gone.
we're very worried because the focus was actually clear all day.
Yeah.
Hopefully it stays this way.
Stays.
Yeah. So taking some photos of the theatre.
Yeah. We're going to walk past and through there again.
So we already walked here and just now we're going backwards. That's a guy
Yeah.
playing music.
Now where do we go? Do we go to the other side of the dome here?
We need to check the map again maybe.
Don't know.
Oh, actually it's sat nav.
Yeah. Yeah, well, the sat nav I'm currently using the phone of.
Well, yeah, I know exactly what I have to probably check. Just want to take another photo of the dome here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really beautiful. Yeah, I will take a photo from this side as well.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Hang on.
Let's stop now. Yeah, see you soon. We're back on. Yeah, so we're just taking some photos of this dome again.
Yep.
And it's quite gorgeous.
Yeah.
And you can see all the Christmas decorations everywhere and Christmas cookies and stuff.
Oh yeah, it's all happening.
Yeah. So we're still walking to the market.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Look at this side.
Picture nice. Picture here would be so nice too.
Yeah. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful, yeah.
I reckon we take a photo here.
Okay, take a photo here.
Yeah.
Okay. See you soon, guys. Hi again.
We move along. There was a guy that was staring at us. He looked, strange.
Very funny character.
Very funny character. He looked like he was not in control of his faculties.
His eyes were popping out.
Oh yeah.
He was an old man.
He was an old man, but he looked rather frightening. He looked unbalanced.
Yeah, so setting up the kiosks here.
Yeah, it makes it more dangerous here, and also hard to.
Also, it's going to be huge.
Okay, let's sort of.
Is that the red house?
That's the red house.
Yeah.
That's a red house. It looks like a red house.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Whatever it is, it looks epic. But I'm pretty sure it's the red house.
Very noisy here.
Yeah.
Is it set up?
I know, it's crazy. We'll get to the other side of these.
Look at this, it's not good because,
We'll get through here and we'll have a clearer picture on the other side.
Yeah, and it's raining again.
It's raining again.
Bummer. We've had rain for a bit actually lately.
Yes.
Yeah. At least it's not snow.
Yeah, last year was snowing and it was really difficult conditions for everything.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah, it does.
Alright.
We're not there yet.
Wow.
Oh, whatever.
This is it.
Okay.
Red house. Spectacular.
Yeah, it looks quite spectacular here,
Yeah,
so
pretty epic.
pretty epic.
It's just gorgeous views all around, like behind here. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we'll stop and take some photos here.
Alright. Back soon. Bye bye.
Okay, I'm just filming here the square. On the other side, if you can just see the roofs and that of all the stuff, but yeah, that's worth seeing. That's worth seeing. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Alright, we're going to see if we can find the Grand Square and then we'll be nearly done. Bye bye.
Okay, so we just photographed the red house and we're going straight to the market here.
We're going straight to the market.
That's very cool.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can see something there, but
It was,
so far it just looks like groceries and stuff.
yeah. Well, that's what a marketplace is all about.
Yeah, it should be everything. Food, groceries, like,
Yeah.
I don't know, souvenirs.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, this looks good. Already I can see it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just street food and flowers and stuff.
Oh yeah, while we were.
Yeah, and it's a place.
Yeah, that's the place. Yeah, this is epic.
Yeah, that's stunning. Beautiful. Couples are,
Very cool.
yeah, wow.
Don't know if you can see all that, but
I love this sort of like Gothic architecture.
yeah. Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's beautiful.
that's really cool.
Alright,
Yeah.
we're gonna take some pics. Bye.
All right. Bye bye. So we're here,
At the Ponto,
and we'll quickly take some photos here, and we're all good.
yeah, we're gonna take 5:30 p.m.
Yep.
We've just been taking photos all around the hotel.
Yeah, lots of great photos.
Look
They look like prison doors.
It's seriously one of the world's worst.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so one here in Aachen.
Yep.
And that's time to say goodbye.
Time to say goodbye.